Major U.S. stocks likely to have a quiet session on Friday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Nvidia looks like it's going to open roughly where it stopped on Friday, as the Friday session will, of course, be the day after Thanksgiving, and a lot of people just simply don't go back to work. So volume will be an issue on Friday. I don't think we're going to see explosive moves. I could be wrong. Then volume can cause that. But really at this point, we're still in this same trading range. Keep in mind, Thursday is the dividend date, the ex-dividend date in this market. It's not a huge driver of Nvidia. It's only a penny per share, but you might see a little wobble there. I think ultimately we're still stuck between $170 and $200. AMD looks like it will open slightly positive, but we are sitting just below the 50-day EMA, and I think a lot of people are going to be looking at that as a potential barrier. If we can clear the 50-day EMA, then we could go looking to the $230 level. Short-term pullback should continue to see buying at the 200-day EMA, as it's a large, round, psychologically significant figure and the top of a gap. Over the longer term, I do expect that we will return to the $260 level, but we might have a little bit of sideways noise between now and then. Intel looks like it is going to jump a little bit at the open, but I would not look for a move past $38.50, at least not in the Friday session. If it gets above there, fine. I think it's a bullish market, but really at this point, I think volume will be an issue. The stock market closes early, and of course, this has been a laggard in comparison to the other stocks in general. We recently broke out of a major range, which had been probably best thought of as malaise. So, with all of that being said, I think you've got a scenario where you're buying the dip, but you also have to be very cognizant that this is a company that is still trying to play catch up with a lot of the other chips makers out there. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.